Boarding. Boarding means getting on the plane. When they say boarding has started, it's time to go to the plane. Example 1. Boarding starts at 7:45. We should go now. Example 2. People in row A can begin boarding first. Gate. A gate is the place where you go to get on your flight. Example 1. Our gate is B12. Let's find it. Example 2. Excuse me, where's gate A5? Departures. Departures is the area for flights that are leaving. If you're flying somewhere, follow the departures signs. Example 1. I'm at the departures terminal now. Example 2. All the leaving flights are on the departures board. Arrivals. Arrivals is for flights that are coming in. It's where people wait to meet passengers. Example 1. I'm waiting for my brother at arrivals. Example 2. The flight just landed. Check the arrival screen. Check-in. Check-in is when you show your ticket and give your bags. Example 1. Let's check in online tonight. Example 2. I need to check in at the counter. Baggage claim. Baggage claim is where you pick up your suitcase after landing. Example 1. My bag is not at baggage claim yet. Example 2. Let's go to baggage claim before we leave the airport. Customs. Customs is where they check your bags after international flights. Example 1. I had to go through customs after my flight. Example 2. I didn't have anything to declare at customs. Delayed. Delayed means the flight is late. It won't leave at the original time. Example 1. Our flight is delayed by an hour. Example 2. They said the delay is because of bad weather. Boarding pass. A boarding pass is your plane ticket. It shows your name, seat, and gate. Example 1. Here's my passport and boarding pass. Example 2. I saved my boarding pass on my phone. Carry-on. A carry-on is the small bag you take with you on the plane. Example 1. I just have a carry-on, no big suitcase. Example 2. You can keep your carry-on under the seat.